Exploring the phrase, Honest Abe. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a phrase that is deeply embedded in American culture, Honest Abe. You may have heard it used to refer to someone who is incredibly honest, but where does it come from? Why is Abe considered honest? In this video, we'll explore the origins, meanings, and uses of this phrase to help you understand it better and use it correctly in English conversations. The phrase, Honest Abe, refers to Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States. Lincoln was nicknamed Honest Abe for his strong moral character and integrity. It's said that he couldn't tell a lie and always strived to be straightforward and fair in his dealings, both as a lawyer and as a politician. This reputation for honesty followed him throughout his career and became an integral part of his legacy. Why is honesty so significant that we still remember Lincoln with this phrase? In any culture, honesty is a cherished value, often associated with trustworthiness and respect. By calling someone Honest Abe, you're not just referring to their truthfulness but also their reliability and ethical standards. It's a high compliment and one that signifies much more than just a tendency to tell the truth. You can use the phrase, Honest Abe, in a couple of ways. Firstly, it can be used literally, to describe someone who displays honesty like Lincoln did. For example, if your friend refuses to keep the change given by mistake at a store, you might say, "Well, aren't you Honest, Abe?" Secondly, it can be used sarcastically to imply that someone is not being honest. If someone known for stretching the truth claims an unlikely accomplishment, you might say, "Sure, and I'm Honest, Abe," indicating skepticism about their statement. Honest Abe isn't just a phrase used in everyday conversation. It also appears in books, movies, and TV shows. Characters with strong moral codes might be labeled as Honest Abe, either earnestly or mockingly. It's a part of the American English lexicon that transcends history and speaks to the character of one of the most famous U.S. presidents. That wraps up our exploration of Honest Abe. I hope this video has given you insight into this enduring phrase and how it captures the essence of honesty that Abraham Lincoln represented. It's a great example of how language and history intertwine to create expressions that last through the ages. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more interesting English language facts and insights. Until next time, keep practicing your English and don't forget to be your own kind of Honest Abe in your daily life.